Hey guys, so we're back for another one. Today we're doing challenging ellipse questions. Really, we're going to start off with a quick warm-up of how ellipses work, and then from there we're going to talk about some hard ones that the ACT can throw your way. Let's go ahead and take a look at the formula. Remember that the ellipse formula is this over here to the left. Really, remember that a squared or b squared. Why do I say a squared or b squared? Well, that's the stretch. Either your ellipse can be stretched vertically, like that, to where your a, really your big value will be under the y, really it's a stretch of a, or your ellipse can be stretched horizontally like that, where your a or your big value will be under the x. Again, the bigger number under the x makes it horizontally stretched, whereas the bigger number, the a, under the y makes it vertically stretched. What else? Well, we do know that the h and k is the center of this ellipse. Again, the h and the k is the center of the ellipse. And on the ACT, a lot of the questions have a center of 0, 0. We're going to do that in just a second. But some of the questions don't have a center of 0, 0. So we're going to learn how to address that in this video. Again, the a and b is the stretch, and the h and k is the center. In that case, come with me over here to our first question. This is actually number 60 from a real ACT, a number 60, but it's actually so easy. Let's go ahead and give it a shot. First of all, understand that answer choices D and E are not good. Those are the equation of a circle. Remember, the equation of a circle is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. That's not what we're looking for. D and E are trash. From there, the center of this ellipse is 0, 0, like we talked about. So is there an h? Is there a k? Not really, it's 0, 0. That's why they disappear. From there, how much am I stretching? Well, I'm stretching 7 up and down. And how much am I stretching here? I'm stretching 4 left and right. Well, wait a second, left and right? That's under the x, and this 7 is under the y. I really like C. Remember that it goes 7 squared, making me 49, 4 squared under the x, making me 16. That's an easy one. Let's come over here for a little bit harder one, number 58. Number 58, well, first of all, it might help to label my center. It looks like the center is 3, 4. So my h and k should be 3 and 4. So x minus 3 squared plus y minus 4 squared equals 1. That's probably my first step. From there, I need to understand the stretch, and it's a little bit hard to see in this example, but it looks like it's hitting up there, and it looks like it's stretching all the way to the 8 over there. In that case, start assessing. Is it horizontally stretched or vertically stretched? I think it's horizontally stretched. Look at how wide it is. In that case, should the bigger number be under the y? No, those answer choices are trash. I'm looking at F, G, and J now. In that case, how much am I going up versus how much am I going left and right? Well, I'm stretching 5 left and right. Remember, this is from 3. Again, from 3 all the way to 8, that's a stretch of 5 under the x. Oh, I like F and G. And actually, J was trash too because these centers are not good. Actually, G is trash too because it's not y plus 4. It's y minus 4. From there, I'm almost done because recognize, yeah, I'm stretching 3 up and down. Remember, I'm stretching from 4 to 7 in the y. I really like answer choice F. It's kind of checked off all of my boxes. Remember, this would be 25 and this would be 9. So that's good for a little bit of a harder ellipse question, but we are going to rock on to our last question of the day, this one, 56. If you feel like you have a good grasp of this concept, please feel free to pause the video right here and wait, try, and then I will wait for you. But if you want to just watch along, please check this out. The reason that this question is difficult is because the center isn't really given, at least not explicitly. It tells us that the center is here 0, 5. Oh, really, this is 0, 5. From there, it also tells us about the stretch. How much is it stretching? Well, it looks like it's stretching 4 up and down, whereas it's stretching 3 left and right. So if this question is asking for A and B, remember, B is going to be 4 up. Remember, we said 4 up. So what's up 4 from 0, 5? 0, 9. Whereas, how much is 3 left? Well, 3 left from 5 would be, oopsies, 3 left from 0 would be negative 3, 5. I'll say that again. Really, if this is the coordinate 0, 5, and I'm shifting 3 to the left, really, I'm stretched 3 to the left, what is this coordinate? It's going to be 3, 5. I think our answer is J. This is a tough one. But again, I'm stretching 4 up and down and 3 left and right. So from the center that you had to kind of deduct, you can understand that the answer here is J. So that's it for this more challenging ellipse video. If you guys have any questions or want me to go over any other topics, please let me know. And I just hit 30 subscribers, so I appreciate all the support as I start this channel, and I'll keep going as long as you guys want me to. So I'll see you guys on the next one, and thanks again.